In this video, I'm going to show you how to update your bank login credentials in Monarch Money. Let's get started. Monarch Money allows you to update your bank login details if your connection breaks or if you recently changed your username or password. This helps keep your accounts synced and your data up to date. To do this on desktop, go to Settings, then click Institutions. Find your bank in the list, click the three dots next to it, and select Update Login Settings. Enter your updated credentials. Complete any verification steps like MFA, then confirm to refresh the connection. Once updated, Monarch will reconnect to your bank and pull in any new transactions or accounts automatically. If you run into issues, make sure your login details work directly on your bank's website first. You can also wait and try again later if it's a temporary error. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.